Voco introduces new Amaris, a highly aesthetic, light-curing restorative system that will transform the way you practice dentistry. A true breakthrough in composite shade technology, Amaris dramatically simplifies aesthetic dental procedures through its proprietary shade guide and state-of-the-art composite materials. Amaris simplifies aesthetics for everyday use with an easy two-step shade system that uses 5 opaque and 3 translucent shades to cover the entire dental shade spectrum. In the first step, an opaque shade from 01 to 05 is used for the base of the restoration. In step 2, a translucent shade, dark, light, or neutral, is used to confirm or adjust the base shade. If the base shade appears lighter than the tooth, it can be darkened using the dark translucent shade. If the base shade appears too dark, it can be lightened using the light translucent shade. If the opaque shade is a correct match, translucent neutral is used to confirm the base shade. This correct-as-you-go concept reduces procedure time by allowing you to make corrections while you work instead of after the work is done. Amaris also offers an opaque O-bleach shade for very bright restorations and 2 additional flowable shades, high translucent and high opaque, for special needs restorations. Amaris enables you to create the entire Vita shade range of 52 shades with only 5 opaque base and 3 translucent modifier shades. To understand how 8 shades can cover the entire shade range, let's look at the science behind shade matching. Dental shade systems are based on a distribution scale that measures 3 key ingredients of light: hue, chroma, and value. Each of the 15 most used Vita shades occupies a specific position on this scale. The problem with Vita is that its shades are not evenly distributed on the scale. Some of the shades are so close together that the human eye can't perceive the difference, while others are so far apart that they create gaps between the shades. This requires composite manufacturers to create large numbers of shades in order to fill the gaps and cover the entire spectrum of discernible shades. It also means that dentists must maintain huge inventories of composites, some of which are unnecessary because the difference between them can't be discriminated. Amaris solves this problem by using 5 opaque base and 3 translucent modifying shades that are evenly distributed on the shade scale. Because every shade is the same distance from the other, there are no gaps to fill and no unnecessary shades. By combining the evenly distributed opaque base shades with the evenly distributed translucent modifier shades, Amaris covers all of the most popular 15 classic Vita shades. And by varying the thickness of the translucent layer, you can fine-tune the 15 Vita shades to cover the entire dental shade spectrum. With Amaris, Voco has completely redesigned the dental shade guide system so that you can achieve a perfect shade match in less time and with far less inventory than conventional shade systems. Amaris does more than just save time and money. It enables you to create high-quality restorations that are as durable as they are beautiful. Amaris delivers low shrinkage and high wear resistance. The material has a smooth consistency that won't stick or slump and offers outstanding handling with up to 8 minutes working time. Its natural opalescence and fluorescence deliver perfectly balanced opacity while allowing you to polish to a high luster finish. And its high radiopacity makes it easy to detect under X-rays. Amaris makes you an aesthetic composite master in just minutes. If you're tired of the time, expense, and complexity of traditional shade guide systems, you'll love the simplicity and ease of Amaris. With only 5 opaque shades, 3 translucent shades, and standard layering techniques, you can cover the entire spectrum of dental shades without carrying an entire warehouse of composite shades. And you can create highly aesthetic restorations in fewer steps and in less time than ever before. For intelligent shade matching that allows you to correct while you work, choose new Amaris composite from Voco.